Use of has and have. We use has with he, she, it and any name or singular noun. He has a pet dog. Jamie has an exam tomorrow. She has a friend. It has rained all day. Mark has English test in the afternoon. Susan has your pen. The car has a flat tire. Paul has been waiting for you all day. Mrs. Smith has no pets. My friend has great clothes. My father has a flat in Chennai. She has a headache. Rohan has a brother and a sister. The elephant has a big trunk. She has beautiful hair. They have a blue car. Giraffe has a long neck. He has to do his homework before dinner. He has a new haircut. The washing machine has a leak in it. He has to write a report. She has a lot of homework. India has a very interesting culture. We use have with I, we, they, and any plural noun. They have a nice apartment in the city. I have a sister. I have a cat. You have a sweet voice. They have it in all the food. I have a great English teacher. You have toothpaste on your chin. We have a car. We have many horses in the farm. They have a phone. You have to call me tonight. We have seen this TV show before. I have cut my finger. I have to wash my car today. We don't have a cat. I have a new bag. We have a meeting. You have a nice smile. The students have to study hard. I have a computer. We have no books.